Which of the following are risk factors for sudden cardiac death in hypertrophic cardiomyopathy? A. Family history of one or more HCM related sudden cardiac deaths. B. Massive left ventricular hypertrophy, thickness of 30 millimeters or more. C. One or more episodes of recent syncope. D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. In addition, non-sustained ventricular tachycardia noted on several occasions and hypotensive or attenuated blood pressure response during exercise are also thought to be important risk factors. It is needless to say that a previous episode of resuscitated ventricular fibrillation or sustained ventricular tachycardia is the strongest risk factor for a recurrent episode. Other potential factors are scars of alcohol septal ablation, apical aneurysm, end-stage disease, and delayed myocardial contrast enhancement seen on cardiac magnetic resonance imaging. Recommended INR value for mechanical prosthesis at mitral position: A. 1 to 2, B. 1.5 to 2.5, C. 2 to 3, D. 2.5 to 3.5. Correct answer D. 2.5 to 3.5. Mechanical prosthesis at mitral position has higher chance of thrombosis than one at aortic position due to the lower pressure gradient across it. Hence, the recommended value of INR for a mitral prosthesis is 2.5 to 3.5, while it is only 2 to 3 for an aortic prosthesis. Low-dose aspirin is also often added along with warfarin in case of metallic mitral prosthesis to reduce the chance of thromboembolic complications. IVC plethora is seen in all of the following except A. Acute left ventricular failure, B. Chronic right heart failure, C. Cardiac tamponade, D. Constrictive pericarditis. Correct answer A. Acute left ventricular failure. Plethora of inferior vena cava is lack of the normal inspiratory collapse of the IVC on echocardiography. Normally, the IVC diameter decreases about 50% during inspiration. Prosthetic valve thrombosis is most likely at A. Aortic position, B. Mitral position, C. Tricuspid position, D. Pulmonary position. Correct answer C. Tricuspid position. Prosthetic valve thrombosis is most likely to occur at tricuspid position because the pressure gradient across that valve is the least. But mechanical prosthetic valves are seldom used in tricuspid position, where bioprosthesis is preferred because of lower thrombogenicity and lesser degeneration at this position. Being much more in use, among cases of prosthetic valve thrombosis, most cases will be of mitral prosthetic valve thrombosis, where the pressure gradient is less than across one at aortic position. Which of the following is not a feature of left atrial overload on the ECG? A. Wide-notched P waves in lead 2, B. Prominent negative component of P wave in V1, C. Tall peak P waves in V1, D. Area of negative component of P wave in V1 of more than 1 Ashman unit. Correct answer C. Tall peak P waves in V1. Tall initial component of P wave in V1 would indicate right atrial enlargement. Uni-component peak P waves in V1 could also be due to an abnormal atrial rhythm. Ashman unit is the area corresponding to 1 small square or 1 square millimeter in a standard ECG taken with a paper speed of 25 millimeters per second and standardization of 1 centimeter to a millivolt. It will be expressed as 0.004 millivolt second. P tricuspidale is A. Tall P waves in V1, B. Tall P waves in lead 2 with initial peak taller than second peak, C. Tall P waves in lead 2 with second peak taller than first peak, D. Tall P waves in lead 2. Correct answer B. Tall P waves in lead 2 with initial peak taller than second peak. The original description of P tricuspidale was by Zuckerman in 1952. The pattern is a mirror image of P mitral in which the second peak is taller. P tricuspidale was noted by Gamboa and associates in 81% of their 37 patients with tricuspid atresia, while it was seen in only 2 of their 20 patients with pulmonary atresia. False statement regarding A and V waves in atrial pressure tracing. A. Right atrial A wave is taller than V wave. B. Left atrial V wave is taller than A wave. C. In atrial septal defect, A and V waves are equal. D. None of the above. Correct answer D. None of the above. Normally, A wave is taller in the right atrium and V wave is taller in the left atrium. In atrial septal defect, A and V waves are equal due to equalization of atrial pressures by the large unrestricted communication. What is the rhythm? A. Sinus rhythm. B. Low atrial rhythm. C. Idioventricular rhythm. D. None of the above. Correct answer B. Low atrial rhythm. ECG showing P waves in inferior leads 2, 3 and AVF. A superior P wave axis means that the atrial activation is proceeding from below upwards. This occurs when the focus is in the low atrium, low atrial rhythm or coronary sinus rhythm. In addition, the ECG also shows an intraventricular conduction defect in the form of notched R wave in lead 2 and AVF and an RSR prime pattern in lead 3. Sometimes this pattern occurs in atrial septal defect and is known as Crochettage sign. The QRS width seems to be a little more than that in usual Crochettage sign. Low atrial rhythm can occur in sinus venosus AST as the region of the sinus node is defective and an ectopic atrial focus takes over. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.